For the last 20 years, we've been told that our website is our online storefront, our digital home. But today, that's not longer enough. In the age of AI, your business isn't just a website, it's a digital entity. And if you don't understand the difference, your business is already starting to disappear online. So what's an entity? It's not just a word. It's something an AI can read and understand. Think about the word Apple. All search engines only saw a word made of letters. But new AIs like Siri or Google know that there are two different meanings. Apple, the technology company, is an organization. It has a founder, a CEO, and a stock ticker symbol. Apple is the fruit, it's a thing. It has a color, nutrition, and grows on trees. AI knows the difference because it's knowledge graph, a giant web that connects facts about every person, company, and product it understands. Here's the most important truth for your business. You need to make sure your company is a clear, trusted entity inside that knowledge graph. Because AI cannot trust what it doesn't clearly understand. Here's the difference. When AI looks at most businesses online, it sees a digital ghost, unclear and unreliable. The services are written like plain text. The reviews are messy and organized. So AI doesn't really know what that business does or if it can trust it. But when a business is architected, everything changes. The AI can clearly see what kind of business it is, like a dentist or a plumber. Its services are labeled with service schema. Its reviews are organized with aggregated rating. It's not a ghost anymore. It's a clear, trustworthy entity. And that's the one AI will recommend. So how do we build these? As AI authority architects, we create the technical foundation of your authority online. We make sure your business sends a clear signal that AI can read and trust. This is called Generative Engine Optimization, GEO, and is built on three main pillars. First, perfect data consistency. Your name, address, and phone number must be written the same way everywhere online. If they are different, AI gets confused and stops trusting your business. Second, we add a schema markup. This is a special code that tells AI exactly what your business does, kind of like giving it your digital DNA. Third, we build verifiable citations. These are mentions of your business on other trusted websites that prove you are who you say you are. Without a clear digital entity, your business looks like random data to AI. But with a well-built, properly architected entity, AI can understand you, trust you, and most importantly, recommend you as the best answer. You stop being just a digital brochure. You become a digital authority. Ready to architect your authority? Request your free AI visibility audit at getfoundfast.ca.